Nah, man. Not quite finished yet.
Hello world, which is what we are going to be learning here. This is Adman's video tutorials, and we are going to be learning how to program with AutoHotkey. AutoHotkey used to be actually just like a little hotkey automation thingy, but then it turned into a full-blown programming thingy, which is why the original owner abandoned it and it turned into AutoHotkey L, but I haven't learned AutoHotkey L, and they completely changed it since I last used it, which used to be just like the old one except a lot easier. But now we're just going to use the old one because the new one is freaking weird. Anyways, go to download, and then you're just going to want to click installer for AutoHotkey Basic. As you can see, I've tried AutoHotkey L, but last time I used it was really different than what it is. Anyways, let's do AutoHotkey Basic. And then you're going to want to click save file, obviously, download it, and then click install, because everything needs to be installed for some weird reason, or you can't just run program, it has to be installed. Anyways, yeah, it's installing. Okay, don't want to show readme. I already know how to run this, which is why I'm teaching you. Anyways, click new and click I'm not sure if it does this with the old version or not, but sometimes, well, at least on the new version, you have to go into program files, click AutoHotkey, and then run autohotkey.exe so it can set up for you. And then you're just going to want to close it out because nobody wants randomly running processes. Anyways, AutoHotkey script. Just right click, click new, AutoHotkey script, and we're going to type in hello world because what's a programming language without hello world being the first thing you learn? Anyways, yeah, hang on. Let me turn down the font just a little bit because I had it up before for another video, but I don't need it that huge. Down even more. Anyways, so I'm going to be teaching you the basics of AutoHotkey programming. First off, I want to tell you that there's great documentation if you just go to the AutoHotkey website, which is autohotkey.com, which I should have told you at the beginning of the video, for you people out there who are like, what the frick, I can't find autohotkey.com. Well, yeah, it's here. Anyways, you want to click documentation, and there's a whole bunch of stuff here, except there's the AutoHotkey L documentation. I tried learning it, it's fricked up, in my opinion, compared to the old one, which was so much easier. Anyway, which is what we're going to be using now. Anyways, there's a whole bunch of stuff here, like you can learn how to make the GUI, and click add, and these are like the GUI controls you can make, and it shows the exact syntaxes you can use for them. But for now, I'm just going to teach you the basics. Anyways, first you're going to want to start off with a simple message box. It's msg.box, comma, and then the text. So this is basically how all the entire HK syntax is. You do function, and then whatever the heck they call it after that, I don't know, it's like something there that's like, I don't know, but then after that it's option 1, and then you put a little comma there, and then option 2, and the options are usually optional, and yeah, so just type in message box, comma, space, because the space makes it look neater, hello world, and that should be it. File save, and now your screen should pop up with this pretty little message box, unless you have really old operating system, in which case it's butt ugly. Pretty little message box with a little OK button, and it says hello world. Okay, now let's say you want to make a little thing that says yes, no, like a little GUI up here that says yes or no, and then there's a yes or no button. How about we make that right now? Yeah. Okay, so first off, you're going to want to go to the documentation, and you're going to want to learn how to make a little text box. So here's the example. GUI add text, and then comma, comma, and then enter your name. And I'm going to explain that more. Okay, so first you want to type in GUI, because that's a function, add, because that's what you want to do. You want to add something to GUI. And then, it's going to be text, so you want to put in text. Oh, by the way, sorry my stuttering. I'm really nervous when it comes to this kind of stuff, so. Anyways, plus I'm trying to talk fast to make the video really, really short. Anyways, this is making it longer, so let's go back to this. So, you're going to want to add a text box, so you just put GUI add text, and then a comma, and then usually here you put the width, the height, like width 10, height 10, which is actually really small, and then the X and Y axis of where the text box is going to start. And there's actually a pretty nifty tool for this. Wow, I keep getting off topic. But there's actually a pretty nifty tool for this. Actually, if you go to download and Smart GUI Creator 4.0, nice drag and drop GUI Creator. You're going to have to add all the functions yourself, but it's really neat for, like, if you want to get something, like, out here somewhere on a GUI. Like, if this was a GUI and you wanted to put something like here, you don't want to guess on that, so that's pretty cool. But for now, we're just going to blank that out and set it to the default, which is the top left corner. And now we're going to do, put, yes or no. And either way, it's going to quit the thing, so it doesn't really matter, but this is just teaching you what to do. It's not really going to be like some amazing program. But anyways, you're gonna want to go back to the documentation, and now you see right there is button. So you're gonna want to, it's gonna say here GUI add button default OK. So here's what it all means. GUI, the function, add what you want to do with it, button because you want to add the button. Who knew? It's all logical. And then this is the place where you put the X, Y, whatever. We're just going to say the width is going to be 100, the height is going to be 50. I don't know if this is going to look ugly or not. It's been a long time since I programmed. I'm going to say the X is going to be 50, and the Y is going to be 50, or the Y is going to be 0. Or how about we make it 10? And then it's going to say, oh, and then right here, let's see, where was it again? I kind of forgot this part. Oh yes, okay. So here you're going to want to put a G thing if you want it to go somewhere in the script. Like here you could have start, and that would be like the place where it says start, and or how about we say exit, and it would say exit app, which means it exits the app. And you say G, which means go to exit, and then it would go to exit once it's clicked. And then so you're going to want to put comma, and it's going to say no. And that's just, or how about yes, because yes is always on the left for whatever reason. Yes. Now we're just going to try this out, make sure you're on the same page with me. Remember, you can always go back somewhere in the thing. Frick? Not opening. Run! Oh yes, I forgot! That's a common mistake that usually happens. You're going to want to type in GUI show. Because the show right there, that's the big thing. That's why I put it on caps. Because if you don't do that, you're going to be scratching your head for hours going, what the frick did I do wrong? So, and, oh, hang on. And then you're going to want to put in a return. Return is also a big thing. Sorry, I haven't done this in a while. But this is good because you'll learn common mistakes that usually happen. Return means it stops the script. So it doesn't go back down to exit app down here. It just returns after it creates a GUI, which it ends after it creates a GUI. So there you go. That's pretty horrible. Hang on. How about we change the values to height 25, and then the Y is gonna be 5, and the X, why don't we make it 100? There we go. Now you're gonna have this pretty little GUI here. Yes. Now you're gonna have this pretty little GUI here where it says yes or no, and there's a little yes right there. There's a yes. Remember, X is this way, Y is this way. Just so you all remember. Just in case you didn't learn math, or you weren't in algebra 1. I don't know. Maybe you're stupid. But anyways, you click yes and it exits the app, just like you had to do. Now, if you wanted to come up with a message box that says congrats, or whatever, and then exit the app after the person clicks OK on the message box, and that's fine too. It's all up to your whatever the heck you want. It's your program. See, it says congrats, you click OK, it exits. Way to go. You made your first little legit program. Now let's say you want this again. I'm too lazy to actually type it all, so you're gonna put that there. And now you just make this one's gonna say no. And it's all the same crap, except you want the Y to be lower, otherwise it's gonna be right on top of each other and you get this ugly little thing that flashes back and forth. Anyways, for the heck of it, our H is 25, why don't we just make this 30? I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but it seems like it's legit. Yeah, right there with a little 5-pixel space right there. Yes or no, and no matter what you click it says congrats, and I don't know why, but it works. Remember, if I'm going too fast for you, you can always rewind in this video. Anyways, That's it for part 1. Yeah, I'm starting to edit the first part, and so I'm gonna sign off here, and I'm gonna let you all check out my second video, which is gonna be somewhere popping up on the screen right now on an annihilation. I don't know why, but it's probably gonna say a bunch of random crap. I don't know if it is or isn't, because that's gonna be in the future. But anyways, that's gonna be in the past for you. Anyways, Adman out.